Hello! In this video we will see how you can use autotiles in Godot 3.2.3. Important to note that if you are using a version after 3.2.3, this may have changed, because the tilemap is being totally remade. So first, let's add a tilemap. In this video I will use two different tile sets, one that's really great made by Kenny and a really bad one made by me, just to show that it's a lot easier use collision if you make a full wall tile. Now let's create a new tile set, and here we can drag our PNG file. Let's start with Kenny's one. Then we create a new Autotile. Now we just select the region we want to use. Here at the right side we have some properties that we can change, like the name or step. But first we need to select the bitmask option. And here we need to define how big will be our Autotile block. If we select it 3x3, the block will be divided in 3 parts. And if we select it 2x2, in 2 parts. In our example, we will use the 3x3. Now we need to draw where one tile connects to the other. I will speed up this part because it will take some time. So to do this, don't forget to select the bitmask and to use the left button to draw and the right button to erase. And this is the final result. So we can go back to our tile map and start to draw the tiles. And so, if we have connected everything right, it will be really easy to draw our map. And this is the game running, but we have no collision at the moment. Let's see how we can implement that. Just go back to the tile set. Click at the arrow to select the correct one. And now we select collision. And here, as we don't want the entire tile to have collision, we need to draw the collision. So this will take a longer time. And as this is just an example, I will just draw these 3. Now let's run it to test the collision. And here we can see the collision. But it takes a lot of time to adjust the collision to this kind of tile set. And because of that I decided to make my own tile set to show that if you make the wall cover the entire tile, it will be really easier to implement that. So let's create a new Autotile for this new tile set. Then we select the region and draw the bitmask as we have done before. And here, as the tiles are full walls, I will use a single tile to be the ground, so I will have a better control of the ground. Now let's draw our map. And now let's set collision. That's the main reason of this tile set. I pressed the arrow here just to check if I was at the right tile. And now we can change to collision. And as our walls are covering the full tile, we just need to click and select the square collision. It's really a lot easier. And at the end we can compare it to the bitmasks to see if they are the same. Now let's run our project to see the result. And we can see that the collision is working great. If you have some lines at your screen between the tiles, you can try to re-import the tile set. To do that, open the Import tab, then double-click your tile set, then disable the filter option and re-import the tile set. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Bye.